Right, then we go back that way.
Yeah. No way. There's a few berries over here. They're probably back there.
Probably. Probably hiding in the back shade. There is no other side. Okay, it's hiding. Mari, this way.
Yeah, they're down in that cave over there.
Bale and Willow.
Ah, they're on this other side. Oh, this is probably, is it the same one?
No, it's separate.
Or this might be the other side of their habitat. Ah, different one. No, that's them. This is just a different. This is the other side of their habitat.
Define going.
You know, I actually speak Bale.
Define going.
And potty.
Oh, that's nasty.
She says, "You want to watch me? You gonna watch me."
Daddy, they're smart. They know not to do it in there.
Right? She's like, "I take a pee, I take a poop."
I actually speak Bear. You know?
You claim to speak bear, sir?
You see the bear? Yeah. Like your teddy bear.
Yeah, that is definitely bigger than the other one. Wow. I wonder if once the other one gets big enough, if they'll graduate it to out here. Oh yeah, open wide. Yeah.
What is that?
That is a Komodo dragon.
I want to see big animals. Big.
You don't see it in front of you? Oh, we're going to the hippos here in a minute.
Baby. Alright, what else?
So we gotta go this way.
Shouldn't have to go that far.
No, we have to go down this way because Okapi, whatever it's called.
The Okapi.
Yeah,
And the dolphin.
And then we should be able to go straight in the line.
Wait, can I
Let's
look
see
at
what
this?
this is real quick.
Okay.
Because I think it's actually this right here.
That? Well, yeah. Wait.
Oh, this is the bongo.
Okay, so where's the bongo at?
This is the bongo.
Oh my.
Gorgeous.
That is beautiful.
Right?
Okay, so that one's down
We
there.
only missed one
Yeah,
habitat.
so we can skip that and we should be able to go straight. You got a fresh cut.
Oh.
Hmm? You mean a fresh cut?
Good.
Oh.
They are comedy related.
Huh?
They're cousins.
Oh.
Yeah, we're about to come up on the hippos.
The pygmy hippos?
Yep. Yeah, we can skip it.
Over here.
No, this is just a part of it. Another one.
Yeah, it's the other part of the bongos.
Ow. What?
We don't walk in front of me.
Ow.
We gotta go up in this to see the hippos?
I mean, it shows a bridge. So I assume, yeah.
Maybe for when they come out to the water, but
No, this can't be theirs because I think this is way bigger. Unless it is.
oh yeah, right here.
What
Oh.
in the world is that?
Hi,
There's a hippo.
right down there.
Okay, so these are one of the smaller hippos, right?
Yeah.
That's a hippo. What we got here?
It says hi.
No, I
Say hi.
Well,
Hi.
yeah. Oh no, I don't know if it's baby.
What's wrong with it? Well, it should be a baby.
No, it's a pygmy hippo.
So it's like,
It's like a miniature pig.
Oh. Is it hippo?
I want to see it.
The father of
Over this way.
okay, we do. Okay, so then
other people.
so we see the zebras and then we go back to this.
Is there another? Surely there's got to be more than one pygmy hippo.
Yeah,
I don't see one though.
Oh, the
Those are the
Huh?
horns.
Daddy.
Well, if you're in Texas and you don't know what that is, we got problems.
Hold on.
So once we see the zebras, we can come back here.
No, it just goes all the way up and then it comes up and around and then come back.
So we want to go that
Oh, okay.
Now you see what I'm saying? In order to do the least walking, but see everything.
We have some of those in our house.
Who, you?
The horns, yeah.
She thought you were talking about the whole thing, Brooklyn.
They came. I'd stay back. They love red.
You got jokes.
No. Oh, that's not a board. That's a paddle, whatever that is.
Oh, it helps dissipate heat.
Take as long as you guys want.
Take as long as we want. He's dying already. We're not even halfway.
I'm already burning.
It's only like 80 seconds. Oh,
I'm
there's
staying
zebras.
away
Oh, they're
from
moving.
Chris because he keeps tripping me. Trying to make me hit my head. I want to see the tallest giraffe in the world. That ain't zebras.
Oh, I get little zebras. Dude,
Zebra.
you're doing exactly what you complain about other people doing, Anna.
Walking in front of me.
No, you can't trip me.
Anna, you did the same thing to me just a second ago.
Yeah.
George, we're gonna get a quick picture.
Say hello.
Here's a big one.
Hello. Another one back in there. I think the weeds have kind of grown up. There are cacti hidden in amongst these weeds.
Look, the other zebra.
Yeah. Ah.
Oh, it's a dinosaur.
So we are here.
We need to go.
So we need to go up into all this.
I want to look first.
Where do we start at?
Oh, wait a minute. Hold on.
No, look, I would say
Actually,
Where?
we almost need to
Here.
skip over. Go ahead and see these three things real quick.
and then come back over.
Yeah.
Wait, did we start right here? No, wait. Yeah, we're gonna have to go
Yeah.
right here and come back.
Yeah, we'll have to turn this little bit right here to see
Turtle.
these four items.
Yeah.
Here, 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 and then come up into this,
Okay.
because then we'll come out over here.
Where did we start at? We started
Down here, yo.
Burning it, but
But
Is
we
there no
are
dolphin?
halfway.
Huh?
what about your thing?
Hey, Dayami. I mean, I'm holding it.
No, that's her thing. She has to carry it.
We just need to come back here.
Yeah. This part, and then we gotta come back. Because we got the tortoise and the tiger.
Right.
Go look at the tortoise.
I don't know. All I know is that Izzy asked if we were going, and I said I didn't know there was one, and I would ask you.
So these are the ones that can be left handed.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, it can weigh up to 200 pounds for an African spur-thighed tortoise. That's crazy heavy.
Look at that turtle.
And then one of the ones in here is supposed to be a Galapagos tortoise.
Galapagos.
Can weigh up to 400 pounds. Holy cow.
This one.
And then we got a radiated tortoise.
Show blood vessels in there. And feel.
Yeah, I don't see that one. Because that's more colorful.
Oh, they can be. It's
Oh,
like,
look, that's probably the Galapagos over there.
yeah, they can
Look
like.
at there.
Whenever they get touched and stuff like that.
Y'all see that? Try to get you from over here. We'll see if we can get it from the side.
I'm not getting too much of spoon.
I don't know if we can see it from over here or not through the trees. Yep, there it is. Look at it. Right? Big sucker. I'm coming. I'm coming.
What is that? A hyena?
Oh, it's a hyena.
No, it ain't. It's an African
Or
painted dog.
jackal?
No,
Oh, painted dog.
not special.
It's cute. Can I have one?
No. Want to go Susie first? I know, then we can have one of those.
No, we
She only
can't.
gets
She got much left in her.
We're going what side?
I thought it was, yeah. Remember the last time we came, they were feeding it.
Oh, that's right.
It's right here.
You put the fan like going up to her, she come down. Es que de aquí es donde venimos ahorita. Porque veníamos.
There's a lioness.
Oh,
Oh, there he is.
it's inside of the rock.
But they're up here.
One of them just woke up.
There's a couple lionesses. I mean, run down and look, because I don't think it'll be down there. It's up here. But we'll go check this out down here. I don't think we did that before. So we'll give all of our peoples a view of what they would see if it was down this way. It's his butt. I mean her butt. It's her butt.
Where's the boy?
He's up top.
Where? Did you see him?
Yeah, he was up top. He was able to see him up there.
Well, I want to go see his dog.
You basically go like that.
Yep.
Look at this paw.
Right?
It's a cutoff, yeah.
Let's go back down more.
So if we go up here, there's like no other way. Well, yeah, there would be a way, but that cut into there.
Find a what?
See, so it almost looks like.
Alright, this way. Tells us to say, come on.
How are we supposed to see the cheetah though?
The cheetah? We might have to come
Is
back.
that through this side of the tunnel?
Okay, that's on the way.
Or that side?
So we do that.
I think this side takes us to the cheetah. And then we gotta go back somehow. Getting in our steps. Getting in our steps.
We do not need steps. Oh.
Haha, cheetah.
Yes.
Right. And then then we gotta turn around.
I want to see it run.
Dude, there's not enough room for it to run.
So it's running the circle making it. I don't see nothing here.
Where is it?
It is probably very, very, very well hidden in this.
Junior?
He's right here. He's the kid in the blue.
I want to get on it.
Get on the chair.
I don't get on the cheetah.
Get on.
They're hiding in the
Don't.
trees somewhere.
Yeah, like right over the hump or something in the shade.
Oh, yeah,
On the
right
other
there.
side of those rocks.
Might be hot, but ow! It is hot. It's making me. I don't like. I think they come down.
Okay.
Let me see.
Baby. Well, you didn't stay.